and shouldn't need you, but I wake up and I miss you. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Can you see me shaking?
Okay, so this is midway through a cleanup when I started cleaning up and I just ran out of time. So over in that corner, that is all the stuff that needs to go to charity. Then we have bikes. We've got two storage racks that are, these two storage racks are what I want to keep. And then with the storage containers there, I just need to go through them, sort them out, because some are just kind of half filled randomly with things that I just chucked in when I ran out of time last time I was midway through doing this. Over there, we've got the old Kmart shelves, but I want to move those out and just put the workbench back there to have anything that's like tools or painting or gardening related. And then there's some stuff there that needs to go upstairs, and then some of that stuff needs to go to the charity pile. Over here, we've got like the little laundry set up. So obviously the washing machine and dryer is going to be staying there. And then I'm going to remove that table and put that over there for a tool bench, and just have one little rack for all the laundry cleaning supplies. If I was going to stay here longer, or if this was my place, I would do it up completely. Like I would paint the wall, I would put some tiling down. Yeah, even if I was going to stay here longer than we intend to, I would just go to IKEA and get some more of those tiles like I did outside. But we're not going to stay here long, I don't think, because there's just a few problems with the place that would, yeah, I just wouldn't stay here long term. Over here, we have just got my big desk that I don't want to get rid of because I want to keep that for future use. And the kids' Lego that we had to move downstairs just in case, you know, they were playing with it and left some pieces out and about, and then Freddie got into it. And then there are just kind of outdoor activities, some musical equipment type stuff, and just some bits and pieces like some filming lights and things, like a bike rack, just the everyday things that you've got when you've got kids. You've got sporting activities, you've got beach bits and pieces, things that you don't use every day, but you definitely have them and you have to find somehow to store and organize them. So it's kind of a half-done mess right now, but it's all at least sorted into stages that I know where everything is. And all the like the framework of the organization is there. So having the shelves set up here with all the storage containers for Christmas decorations, again, it's stuff that you don't use every day, but you have to find somewhere to store it and keep it organized. There's also like things like suitcases there. You're not using them all the time, but it's stuff that you need to have stored somewhere for when you do use them. So anyway, that's enough rambling. Let's get cracking on with this clean and organize. I want it done in maximum 345 sessions. Let's get started.
Sound of my heart breaking, bless the soul that's aching, hoping I survive. The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself for losing you. Don't you feel that too? The feeling lingers on every day of every month. Wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left all over when there's just tissue. Can't forgive myself for losing you. For losing you.
45 minutes in. Hey Siri, set a timer for 15 minutes.
A timer is set for 15 minutes.
Actually, you know what? I just want to keep going.
For losing you.
Oh, okay, kids. So this is 45 minutes progress, which I think is pretty good. Actually, I'm going to take you off the tripod and just show you. So this is the progress at 45 minutes. I'm doing the 45-15 routine, but I decided not to stop for a break at 15 minutes because I just wanted to keep the momentum going. So we have relocated like the laundry a little bit. When that finishes, I'm going to see if the hose behind the washing machine is long enough to put it there, and that on that side I'll get rid of that completely if I can. The tool bench has been relocated into its spot, so I will put the tool box underneath and all of the tool associated tool painting, that kind of stuff, DIY things. Not that I'm a big DIYer, but anything that is tool, DIY, paint, gardening, that's going to go in that zone there. Cleared out this storage thing just to use as some sorting boxes in the middle there. This is a box of kind of renovation type equipment, like big extension cables and a hand sander and things like that. So that's kind of tool type stuff. We've got some home decor and organizing stuff which needs to go in these boxes here, which are again half full still, so I just need to take them all out and then just reorganize them a bit better. We've got some bits of furniture that we're not using at the moment, so I did a DIY on a chest of drawers, and that is the base of the drawers, which is now a desk. But I'm not going to get rid of it because when we move or if we rearrange the house, I will probably use that again, so not getting rid of that. Step ladder behind, and then this is just decor, organizing, party kind of stuff, and just some frames and bits and pieces in here. Some of these are empty, some of them have only got one or two things in them so far, but this is just going to be organizing for all the stuff that is behind me on the floor to get it sorted out and organized and labeled. And then down there we've just got some odds and ends, the bikes, and then this is the pile of charity donations that we have got to do something with. So that just needs to get sorted out, boxed up and dropped off at charity, or call and have them collect. I don't know, some of it I don't know if you can actually give to charity. I don't know if you can give soft furnishings like cushions and things like that, but we'll see. So pretty good progress I think for 45 minutes, and I have got to get off this camera and stop chatting because I want to just keep going with another 45 minutes.
Whispering soft, alluring signs, wrapping you around my finger, gently touch, full of spell, blinding you into another, sneaking around, hunt and prey, to find me another lover. Behind closed doors, an empty space, we're in a secret love I'm a lonely, hard feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely, hard feline.
I take what's mine and I leave behind. I take what's mine and I leave behind.
What your heart's been told, and I'm not sure that I can tell much more. I'm a lonely heart feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart feline.
I take what's mine and I leave behind.